In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Excel in Google Drive. If you've got an Excel workbook stored in Drive and you want to make quick changes without leaving your browser, this is the simplest way to do it. All you need is your Google account and the Excel file already in your Drive. Start by heading to Google Drive Home. Once you're on the Drive homepage and signed in, you'll see your files and folders. Locate the Excel file you want to work on. It will typically have the familiar .xlsx icon. If you keep a lot of documents, the search bar at the top can help you find it faster by typing part of the file name. Click the Excel file to select it, then open the contextual menu. You can do this by right-clicking the file or by clicking the three vertical dots labeled More Options near the top of the page. This opens a menu with tools specific to that file. From the menu, choose Open With. This tells Drive that you want to open the file using a compatible app instead of just previewing it. When the sub-menu appears, select Google Sheets. Drive will now launch the workbook in a new tab using Google Sheets, which is Google's spreadsheet editor. Once the file opens in Google Sheets, you can edit it right away, click into any cell to type, adjust formatting from the toolbar, and use formulas just like you would in a spreadsheet. Common Excel features such as basic formulas, sorting, filtering, charts, and conditional formatting are supported. Your changes save automatically in the background, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you step away or your connection flickers, Google Sheets keeps your edits synced to Drive. A quick note on compatibility. Google Sheets handles most everyday Excel workbooks well. If your file uses very advanced Excel features like certain macros or specialized add-ins, some elements may not carry over perfectly. After opening, take a moment to scan any complex formulas, pivot tables, or charts to make sure they look and calculate as expected. Also, keep in mind how Drive manages the file. When you choose Open with Google Sheets, Drive may create a Google Sheets version while preserving your original Excel file, so you can keep working in Sheets without losing the source. You'll find both in your Drive unless you choose to remove one. That's all there is to it. Go to Drive, select your Excel file, open the options, choose Open With, and pick Google Sheets. From there, edit confidently and let Drive handle the saving.